Every beaded piece begins with a quiet moment. Just you, your thread, and the knot that starts it all. Today, we're exploring 3 essential knots every beginner should know: the stop knot, the surgeon's knot, and the finishing knot. These simple techniques form the backbone of beadwork, giving your design strength, structure, and confidence. Let's begin with the stop knot. This knot acts like a gentle anchor, keeping your beads from slipping off the thread as you work. Wrap your thread around your finger, cross it over itself, and pull through to form a small, tight knot. It's quick, steady, and gives you control right from the start. Next is the surgeon's knot, a favorite for beginners because it adds just a bit more security. Start with a basic overhand knot, but loop the thread through twice before tightening. That extra wrap gives the knot more friction, helping it hold firmly while you continue stringing. It's perfect for joining threads or securing tension in bracelets and necklaces. Finally, the finishing knot, the quiet closing moment of your beadwork. Once your design is complete, weave your thread back through a few beads to hide the tail. Then tie a small, discreet knot close to the beadwork. Pull gently to seat it, and trim the excess. This knot disappears into the design, leaving your piece looking clean, polished, and professional. These 3 knots, stop knots, surgeon's knots, and finishing knots, are simple, steady companions in every project. With just a little practice, they become second nature, guiding your hands through each new creation with calm confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the playlist on my homepage. Beadwork for Beginners, a gentle masterclass in craft, color, and calm creation.